Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all had a great holiday. This year I went skiing. I had a great time. And the skiing in the cold, snowy environment totally reminded me of last year when I got to visit Switzerland. And Switzerland is famous for cheese. So all you people watching from like the Midwest, from Wisconsin, Green Bay's in the playoffs this year, you think you're cheeseheads, you have nothing to do with cheese compared to the Swiss. The Swiss are the kings of cheese. And in Switzerland, what's king of all cheeses is fondue. And the weather is cold. It's a nice time to cuddle up with your significant other over some nice warm fondue. So I'm going to teach you how to make a really good cheesy fondue dish tonight. And there's a little science here, but it's super easy. I'm not going to get too deep into the science, but I am going to show you what ingredients you need to make this just perfect. So make an investment. Get yourself a nice, solid cast iron fondue pan. I got this from my sister. She gave it to me for the holidays a couple years ago, and I make good use of it. So either get a fondue pan or get a sister, and the sister can get you the pan later. But somehow get this pan. Now these are the real ingredients you need. You've got to have 1 cup mixed, so it's a half a cup of Gruyere cheese and a half a cup of Swiss cheese. And you want to grate it like this. And to this, you're going to mix it, and this is very important, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch is important to go ahead and break up the proteins and make it so that you get these nice long strands of cheese when you dip into it. So go ahead and cornstarch, 2 tablespoons, into 1/2 cup shredded Gruyere, 1/2 cup shredded Swiss or Emmental. Okay, those are really the cheeses you want. And then the rest is super easy. I want you to buy some kirsch or some cherry brandy. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of kirsch. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This also breaks up the proteins in the cheese, the acidity of it. And then for the nice flavor, you're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard. Okay? And then also, important ingredient, you're going to need 2 cups of the driest white wine you can find. And this is just a Chardonnay that I got. And then finally, to top it, you're going to need a little dash of nutmeg. And before you start, this is a garlic clove. You're going to take the garlic clove and you're going to spread this all around your cast iron fondue pot. Okay? And then once you have all these ingredients assembled, we'll go ahead to the stove and I'll show you how to make the fondue. As far as dippers go, carte blanche, whatever you want. Things that I typically go for are, of course, good sourdough bread. A baguette or a ciabatta works great. Also, blanched cauliflower, blanched broccoli works really well. Chunks of salami works great. Really whatever you want to do. Mushrooms are also really good. So that's up to you. That's the artistic part of this for your dish. So that's it. I think we have everything we need. Let's make some fondue. Let's go to Switzerland. Okay, let's make the fondue. So we have 1 cup of dry white wine, and we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to that. And we're going to get that till it just simmers. Once it's starting to simmer, you're going to put the cheese, which you previously have coated in the cornstarch, in small batches and melt it. Okay? And each time it melts, you're going to repeat a small batch. And that's it. You're just going to do that over and over again until it's all melted. Once it's all melted, we'll go ahead and we'll add in our cherry brandy and our mustard. We'll mix it up and we'll just top it with a little bit of nutmeg, and that's it. That's fondue. And then put it on a constant small heat like a sterno, and you're ready to go. And that's it. Look at this perfectly smooth, creamy cheese fondue. Perfect for a cold winter night. Go ahead and invite some friends or neighbors or your significant other over, and your other significant other, I don't know. But invite some people over because you got a lot of cheese here. Now once we have to this status, we're going to go ahead and add our cherry brandy and our dry mustard. This gives it that really homemade fondue flavor. And then you're going to finish it off with just a dash of nutmeg, this fondue is done. A little nutmeg. And that's it. That's a beautiful pot of cheese fondue for you to enjoy. Thanks again for all of the subscribers. Keep following me on Dr. G Cooks and keep giving me shout outs to all your friends and families. And I'll see you next time. Have a great night. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is the final product. Go ahead and get your friends and family over and go ahead and dip. These are our dippers. Enjoy.